Okay, it's let me do it again.
You had to have a number and stuff.
Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Summers.
Hey, I'm Miss Tiffany.
Today, our lesson is going to be on writing sentences. But before we go any further, I want to remind you of some things that we talked about uh, before we start coming to the classroom. Punctuation marks. The first punctuation mark that you see is a comma. A comma means to do what? Pause. A little bit and stop reading. Okay, pause. The next punctuation mark you see is a period. A period means to stop. You stop reading. Stop right here. Okay. We see quotation marks. Quotation marks are used when we quote someone. And that means we say exactly what someone else says. We use their same words. Exclamation mark, we show emotions or get excited. Okay? And question mark is what we use when our sentence asks a question. So let's review. Comma means to pause. Period means to stop. Quotation marks lets you know that I said the same exact words as someone else. Exclamation mark means that I want to show emotion or be excited. And question mark is what I use when my sentence is a question. Okay, now let's look at some letters. We learn to read letters and make their sound to make words. Okay, so we have learned our letters and we can make our sound a, b, k, d, e, f. All right, so we know that when we put letters together, they make words. Look at the words that we've made. We took the B and the A and the T and we made the word bat, bat. All right? We took the C, the A, and the T and we made the word cat. We used the F, the A, and the T and we made the word fat. We took the H, the A, and the T, and we made the word hat. We used the M, the A, and the T, and we made the word mat. We used the P, the A, and the T, and we made the word pat. We took the R, the A, and the T, and put those letters together and made the word rat. So let's look at these words. These words sound alike, don't they? They just have a different beginning sound. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, and rat. These words do what?
Rhyme.
They rhyme. They are rhyming words. And what family are they?
The AT family.
They are of the AT family. The AT family says at. Very good. Now we take the words that we make and we put them in a certain order to make a sentence. Words together make a sentence, but a sentence makes sense, so it's very important in which order that we put the words. Let's look at these statements. Tell me which one is a sentence and which one is not. Remember, a sentence makes sense. So let's read the first one, Miss Tiffany.
Fly a can bat.
Fly a can bat. Does that sentence make sense? Is it
No.
anything? No.
No.
But notice when we put the words in a different order, what we can say.
A bat can fly.
A bat can fly. Okay, let's look at the next one.
Is pet that cat my?
Is pet that cat mine? Does that make sense?
No.
No, I don't understand that. But when we put the words in different order, what do we have?
This cat is my pet.
That cat is my pet. It makes sense, doesn't it? It's a sentence. All right,
Yes.
let's look at another one. Okay. Favorite hat is this mine? So if I walk up to you and say, favorite hat is this mine? You're going to say, well, what do you mean? So it's not a sentence. But when I put the words in a different order, this is my favorite hat, then you would know, oh, you saying this is my favorite hat. So that is a sentence. It matters in which order our words are in when we write a sentence. A sentence makes a statement. It's like you're talking, but on paper. When you want to write a sentence, one of the things you can ask yourself is, what do I want to say? What do I want to tell someone? Okay? You can understand what it means or what it's saying. Whoever reads your sentence should be able to understand it. Remember, punctuation is also important. A sentence is not complete unless it has an end mark. It lets me know how to read it, how to read the sentence. Now let's look at these sentences with the different end marks. The first mark is a period. Remember, a period means to stop. A bat can fly. That sentence is telling me, it's making a statement, a bat can fly. And that's all I want to say. So I put a period there. The next one has an exclamation mark. And remember, exclamation means to show emotion or be excited. So I'm going to read it like this. A bat can fly. So there's a difference in the way I read it than from just making a statement. I want you to know I'm excited. A bat can fly. All right. The next sentence says it has a question mark. So what does that let us know? That sentence is a question. Can a bat fly? So we know we need to use a question mark. Let's look at one more sentence. Okay. Billy said, bats do fly. Notice we have a comma, and we have quotation marks, and we have a period. Billy said, it wants me to pause. It's because I'm going to use the exact same words that Billy used. Quotation marks. I quoted him. I copied him. And of course, at the end of the sentence is a period. It's stop. It means to stop. Billy has stopped talking. Billy said, bats do fly. Okay. Now, when you're ready to write your sentence, ask yourself, what do I want to say? Remember, a sentence makes sense, and people who read your writing should understand what you are saying. It's just like you are talking, but on paper. Okay? Now, let's think about something that you like to do or eat, a place that you like to go, or something you have seen. I want you to get a picture in your mind. Okay? And if I was to ask you to draw whatever you have in your mind, I want you to draw that picture, and I want you to make it very detailed, or in other words, we can use specific. I should be able to look at your picture and tell what you have on your mind. All right, so Miss Tiffany, I want you to think about a place, somewhere you like to go, or something you like to eat, or something you have seen. So what would you draw a picture of?
I would draw a picture of the beach. I
Okay,
love going to the beach.
okay, so we can look at her picture without words, and I know she loves going to the beach. Can you talk about your picture a little bit?
Yes, I love playing in the sand. Me and my friend. I love playing with. I love wearing my shades. I wear those everywhere. I feed the seagulls sometimes, and I love watching the big boats go by.
Okay, so I can look at Miss Tiffany's picture and I can see she loves going to the beach, and her picture is very detailed. So we always say, make your picture, draw a detailed picture. Look at hers. She's at the beach. Now, what's the setting? She has a hat. Let me know if the sun is sunny. They have made a sandcastle. So lets me know she's playing at the beach. What is she doing at the beach? She's making sandcastle. I see a beach ball. I see a seagull. I see a boat. I see trees, palm trees. And I see is it a little crab?
Yeah.
So she has been very detailed. And when you draw a picture, you should draw a detailed picture. Make your picture interesting and make it where someone will just look at it and be so interested in what you have on there. Be very creative. Okay, so when we ask you to draw a picture, we expect you to be very detailed, and you should be able to talk about your picture. Okay, so let's think of a sentence to go along with the picture. What would be a good sentence, Miss Tiffany, to go with your picture?
Okay. My sentence is I like to play in the sand at the beach with my friend.
Okay, I like to play in the sand at the beach with my friend. Look, that's what she's doing. So even if I did not see the words, I would know her favorite place and what she likes to do. And then I can write the sentence. Now, the picture shows me what the words say. Maybe I can't read that well, but I can look at her picture and I'll know what the words say. So pictures give us clues. And we can always use pictures to help us to read. Remember, practice makes perfect. Practice on your drawings, practice on your writing. Remember your rules. Start the sentence with capital letter, space between each word. Write the word like it sounds. Stretch it out very long. Write down the sounds that you hear and put a period or question mark or exclamation mark at the end of your sentence. That's our lesson for today. Bye.
Bye.